How to make money on TikTok with 500 followers. Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. I'm Rebecca and today we will learn together about TikTok and how you can earn money on TikTok app. You have 4 ways from you can earn money on TikTok using TikTok app, and we will learn together about all these 4 ways, but in today's video we will learn especially about how to earn money with 500 followers on TikTok. So let's get started. On TikTok you are able to earn money online as a beginner. If you have a TikTok account with a few thousand followers or more than that, you are able to collaborate with brands and to earn money online from collabs. So in this way you will be able to make money online on TikTok using the TikTok app. Number 2, you are always able to make a live on TikTok, make lives, and on these live people will give you money, will give you gifts, and that gifts represents money, and in this way you will be able to make money as well. And 3, you are able to promote your online business on TikTok, and in this way to make more sales. So this app will also help you to make money online by promoting your app, by promoting your business, and by making more clients from your TikTok app, and of course more sales. So these are the 3 ways to make money online, and the 4th way to make money online is about that 500 followers. You are able to make money with 500 followers. So let's see together how to realize these things. What do you need to know? You need to have at least 500 followers on TikTok app on your TikTok account. So if you have at least 500 followers, there is an app named Fame app. You are able to install this app from App Store, and on this app you will be able to find businesses, to find another businesses. You are able to talk with that businesses and to collaborate together. You are able to set a price for a promote on TikTok. After you will talk with a business on Fame app, you will be able to create a video to promote that business on TikTok, and then you'll receive your money from that collaboration. So if you have an account on TikTok with at least 500 followers, you will be able to make money with this number of followers. You are able to install a Fame app from App Store, and then you will be able to see there to connect with brands and to promote that brands in your TikTok videos. That's how you can earn money from TikTok. You can also make money on TikTok by promoting your own business, by promoting another business brands, by making lives. I hope that I was helpful for you with this video. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. If you need any help, you are able to connect with me by message me on my Instagram page, rebecca.herincomestrategy. You are able to find out more about me on my website, herincomestrategy.com. Also, if you need to hear more about TikTok, more about Etsy platform, Instagram, you are able to find another videos on my YouTube channel. And if you want, you'll help me a lot if you would subscribe. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope that I will see you, of course, in my next video. Bye!